Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. So tonight there's going to be an awesome meet at Summit Racing. They're going to do the unveiling of a RWB Porsche, which I've never seen one in person, so I'm super excited. It is 30 degrees right now and I'm bundled up because I'm a baby when it comes to cold. I do not mess with the cold, but there should be a huge turnout. The lighting is really good. This is going to be the second meet at Summit Racing. The first one was kind of like an experiment. It was huge. I didn't even bring my camera. Well, I did, but I didn't really get to video because I was like, everyone was in shock. It was just such a huge meet. So tonight is going to be awesome and I hope you guys enjoy. Well, me and Lauren just got here. There's not that many people here yet. It is only 7:30. Some people said it was gonna start at 7:30. Some people said 8. There's a group of people over there, so we might go check it out, but there still isn't as many people as we thought. But let's go see what cars we'll see. Got some pics of the cars together because it's kind of rare that they're clean together because Lauren normally rides with me to meets. So there's a crowd like over here. We're about to walk over there and check it out, but hopefully more people will come. But it is freaking below 30 right now, so we'll see. Oh my god, this is one of my favorites to see at the shows. It's freaking ridiculous. This dude too, slammed on the ground. And then this is his girlfriend right here, I saw on his Instagram today. It's pretty cool. So, Lauren ran to the bathroom. I'm gonna pick out a turbo real quick. Yeah, just kidding. Alright, we're back out here. People are starting to show up. Oh, there's a crowd over here. Do you want to check out over here? There's this truck with like a 1.5 inch lift. I'm not even joking. Oh, we got the RX-7 bagging out over here. Holy crap. Wow, would you?
Where's the dude? I want to see the dude. Yeah.
So here's the Porsche. It's like a dark maroon.
3 days and no sleep because we drove this evening. Oh wait, this is not stuck here. I'm trying to get them all set up. The seats,
This thing is crazy.
I feel like I should.
We got a wide body Z in progress right here. One of the cleanest Evos I've ever seen. Yeah, that's insane. This diffuser, it's like a pitchfork. We were just talking about it. Another bag BRZ. This thing is super clean. Really love the duckbill on these cars. Really like the intercooler lights, but too bad I don't have a front mount. That thing is huge. Here's Sean's car. I just did a video on his a couple weeks ago. Looks really good. Just got it dipped. This is my buddy's WRX right here. Super clean. R32 as Lauren bumps into me, and here's our friend. One of the nicest Speed 3s I have ever seen. Flares are perfect. Cosmos wheels, they're really nice. But we're gonna go check out this back Genesis over here. It's a Genesis. Looks like it's a Rocket Bunny kit on there. I just say that because of the vents right here. Super clean though. Love those wheels. Needs a bath, but I'll give him a break since it's 30 degrees out here. This guy just aired out too. Missed it, but this is clean. God, this is beautiful. It was wrapped blue, but I'm glad he went back to the red. It looks so good. Oh my God. There's the legend himself. So cool that he's here. Like, who would ever think he'd be in Dallas? We're not even in Dallas. That's insane. Oh, Andy. He got the cops called. No, I'm just kidding.
That's not funny.
We're getting ruckus.
When you have customer complaints.
So nice. Got some GTRs. And then we got the cleanest G37 I have ever seen. Look at this thing. God, this thing is insane. These tips are huge, wide body, everything. There's another RX-7 right here. So this cop just yelled that we have 5 minutes to leave. I don't know what he's gonna do, but there's no way everyone can leave in 5 minutes. Well, first meet actually getting shut down. This is pretty crazy. I know in LA every meet gets shut down, but well, we're making our way back to the car now. This is crazy. So many cops here. I'm gonna end this video pretty quick because my camera's about to die, but that was such an amazing experience. It was so cool meeting Nakai. I really hope that's how you say his name because I honestly have no clue, but he is such a chill guy and you could just walk up to him, and I got my backpack signed and also I got an air freshener signed for Lauren. He is just the chillest guy. His work is amazing. If you don't know who he is, just type in RWB Porsche on YouTube and there you go. You will be entertained for the next I don't know how many hours, but his work is amazing. So if you don't know him, check him out. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.